Hi guys, this is Ate Zen from Easy Excel with Zen. Last time I've shown you how to protect your worksheet, and this time I will be discussing how to protect your workbook itself. So your workbook will be protected from addition of worksheet, movement of worksheet, renaming or deleting of worksheet, viewing hidden worksheet, and lastly is hiding worksheet. To show you more, let's proceed to my spreadsheet. This is our check collection reconciliation file, and we want to protect this particular workbook from other users who might be doing some deletion of the worksheets or renaming of the worksheet or hiding of the worksheets, and we want also to avoid them viewing the hidden worksheet. So how we will be able to protect our workbook? What is the solution for that? The best solution for that is we have to put a password in our workbook itself. So let's go to our tab Review and then click Protect Workbook, then type your password. So 123. I'll type 123 and then 123. So it's protected now. If you will right click the worksheets now, okay, all the commands are hidden or grayed out. So we cannot do any changes in the worksheets. And we cannot also click the unhide to see what are the available additional worksheet that is available in this particular workbook. Okay, so to again open this particular workbook from others or to allow them to do any changes in the worksheet, renaming or deleting of worksheets, let's again unprotect it. Let's go to the tab Review, then click Protect Workbook, type your passwords. Now I will hide this two worksheets, okay, and then we'll protect it again with a password. Go to the tab Review, then Protect Workbook, type your password 123 123. Now if you will right click on the summary worksheet, we cannot click this unhide command to see what are the available worksheets in this. So the people who will be viewing your file, your workbook, will not be allowed or will not be able to see what are the additional worksheets that is available in this workbook. They cannot see what are the hidden worksheets or what are the information or what are the data, additional data that is available to come up with this summary. Okay, so again, to remove the password, let's go to Review, Protect Workbook, and type your passwords. That's it for now. I hope you were able to understand how to protect your workbook from other users. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Bye for now. God bless everyone. Keep safe.